Welcome to our demonstration of the Redware connector for Dynamics CRM 365. The software we're looking at here will work with Sage 50, Xero and QuickBooks Online, but here we're demonstrating the Sage 50 link up. So we have three things on the screen here. We've got Sage 50 accounting, we've got our software, and we've got CRM. So first let's add an invoice against Bob's Building Supplies. And our philosophy is to use the CRM fields as much as possible, so there's very little here that is not familiar to standard CRM users. So we're going to add an invoice here, and we're going to just add some products. We're going to add some memory, and we're going to add a mouse mat, and we'll just have two mouse mats. We'll save that record, and we'll see the total here is £292, an invoice for Bob's Building Supplies. Now here on the right, these are some values that will be filled in as we push it into Sage, and there's no tax here, and it's going to calculate the tax using the Sage settings as it pushes it through. So the salesperson just needs to change the status to create an account, and that will show us the software, that invoice is ready to go. Then it could be tens and hundreds of invoices here, and the software typically runs every couple of hours or every 10 minutes or so, and it pushes it through into Sage. So that's pushed it through into Sage as invoice number 535. So if we look in Sage now, we can see Bob's Building Supplies, and it's created those two transactions in there. It's calculated the VAT, totals 292, and in fact in this instance it's actually posted the invoice through to Sage, although that's optional. So if we go back and look at the invoice itself, we can see that over here it's refreshed the invoice number, so you can cross-check it against what the invoice is in Sage. Once you've started paying off the invoice, it's going to update here the outstanding amount. If we look at the account, there's also the credit limit and the balance and so on get updated, and the credit on hold get updated in CRM. So basically there you have it. It's a simple utility program that runs in the background, basically looking out for invoices that it needs to process. It will process any products and associated accounts through into Sage, and then it will track the outstanding amount and the balance on the accounts. So please take a look at redware.com if you like what you see. We also have other products, our billing manager product that lets you automate recurring invoices and payments and credit notes and so on. So take a look at redware.com, and thank you for listening.